The well-being of the world's children is a top priority for Lions.
I think doing a small community project like this can make a huge impact.
Because Lions live in more than 200 countries, they are uniquely positioned to address issues affecting children.
There are some common problems and there are some common solutions, but they're going to be delivered in different ways to different cultures. And that's where the Lions come into play.
We act locally and we think globally.
We have some action steps to take us forward.
Recently, Lions Clubs International hosted leaders from 24 organizations for a symposium on children in need.
We've got to make sure that we create a link to that social glue that is groups like Lions Clubs, but you have to be as willing to take action and do it with others.
Every year, more than 6 million children die from causes that can be prevented.
A lot of it is particular diseases that kids are dying of, pneumonia, malaria, but then things like water and sanitation and nutrition.
By providing clean water, sanitation, and vaccines, Lions are saving lives.
The children had big tummies from worms in their bellies. Some children were dying from stomach aches, but that doesn't happen anymore.
This water means hope for them, a new life for them.
When they don't have water, we will try to find a way to have water right to the doorstep.
Through the One Shot, One Life campaign, Lions are mobilizing funds and communities.
There's still a lot of children that are not vaccinated. That's why it's very important to have this campaign.
Sometimes the gender barriers are actually men not supporting mothers and wives to take their kids to clinics. So I really think the Lions Club as leaders in communities can make a really big difference.
Better health care for children and their mothers is key.
I think it's important as we look at different ways to help children to understand that the gateway to that so often is mothers.
Around the world, Lions provide safe places for childbirth, nutritional counseling for pregnant women, support maternal milk banks, and more.
We've been working with the Maternal Milk Bank Project for 5 years to help combat child mortality.
With education, it's about getting more children, especially girls, into school.
For every year a girl stays in school, it will help her future family and herself economically.
And expanding early literacy.
There is an extreme barrier to access to books and good storybooks for young children in particular.
Wiggle your fingers all around.
We went to this school for the teen moms to create that children's library.
Lions Reading Action Program continues to spark innovative community-based projects.
We saw the need for a mobile library to reach people without access to books.
Children with disabilities are often left out. That's why Lions advocate and provide services for them.
We are very happy to help these young children receive the therapy they need.
For these physically challenged people, we are doing sports.
For deaf students, it's very important for us to make them a good education.
Progress is being made, but there is much more to do.
It is really at the community level where these issues are going to be solved.
As Lions, we have the opportunity to make a huge difference in the world.